is the web browser. Also, we can refer as a browser. It is a software application for accessing information on World Wide Web. We can access the information from the World Wide Web. We can use the web browser. Just see an example of a web browser. That is when you use or when you request on a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from the web server and then display on your screen. Means what? We can send a request from your computer to the web server. Then this web server gives a response to your machine and display these contents on your machine. That's the mediator, is the web browser. An information resource is identified by uniform resource identifier or a uniform resource locator, and maybe web pages, image, video or other piece of a contents. That is a multi-type contents or a multi-content. Web browser is a mediator between the web server and our device. The web browsers are used for the desktops, laptops, tablets and the smartphones. The most used web browser is the Google Chrome. We can see the examples of the various web browsers, and these are the Mosaic, which is released in April 22, 1993. Next is the Netscape Navigator, also we can say the Netscape Communicator, which is released in 13 October 1994. Next is the Internet Explorer, which is released in 16 August 1995. Opera, which is released in 1996. Mozilla Navigator is released in 5 June 2002. Safari 7 January 2003. Mozilla Firefox 9 November 2004. Google Chrome 2nd September 2008. Microsoft Edge 9 July 2015. From all these web browsers, the Google Chrome is the most used and most popular web browser on the internet. Next concept is the surfing and searching. Surfing means to surf. Surfing means the working on internet. The working on internet means you can surf. Web surfing is nothing but a jumping from the one page to another page. Just as a TV channel, we can click on a remote, we can put a button on a remote and the channels are going from one to another. This is also a type of a surfing. The hyperlinks on a web pages make it easy to go from one page to another page. In surfing, we randomly search for something. One can surf aimless on the internet. Listen carefully. These two lines are the very important. In surfing, we randomly search for something. We can randomly search for something, and surf is the aimless process or the aimless on the internet. Another point is the searching. Searching means to find out something. Search for specific thing on a specific website. That's called a searching. The searching, you can explore a single website. In a searching, you can explore a single website. But in the surfing, you can move from one website to another website. This is the difference in between surfing and searching. I'm again explain it. The difference in the surfing and searching is, in searching you explore in a single website, but in a surfing we can move from one to another websites. Next point is the search engine. A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information on World Wide Web. Search engine just a website. It collects such as a Google search, Bing, that store the searchable data about the other websites. The information is the combination of web pages, images and other type of files. The next point is the domain and the domain name. A domain is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority and a control within the internet. Any name registered in the DNS, that is domain name system, is a domain name. Domain names are used in a various networking contexts and application for the addressing purpose. The main purpose of the domain is the addressing purpose. The domain is nothing but the name of the websites. Okay. In the following figure, we can see there are some domain extensions that are the .com, .fr, .organization, .net and .uk. Next is the about the domain. Domain can create subdomains as per its needs, which is nameless. The prominent domains like com, info, net, education, organization, these are the prominent domains. Label in the domain name system are the case insensitive and written in a capitalization method, but most commonly domain names are written in a lower case. In the following here I explain HTTP. HTTP is a protocol. www is a subdomain. Tiny Dancing Horse is a domain name and .com is a top level domain. The combination of a domain name and the top level domain are the root domain. The next point is the email. Electronic mail is commonly referred as the email since 1993. It is a method of exchanging digital message from one author to one or more recipient. Today, the email system are based on the store and forward model. Email serves, accept, forward, deliver and store the messages. There are some terminologies in the email. The first one is the to. Here we can put the email address or the name of the recipient. Subject, summary of the topic of the message. CC is the nothing but the carbon copy. Here we can put the name of the recipient but which is are not included in the main address. Next is the BCC, that is the blind carbon copy. It is a copy sent to an addressee that is not visible to the main and carbon copy addressee. Means this is a blind copy, this is a hidden copy which are not seen by the main or a CC copies. The next is the next point is the chatting. Chatting refers to any kind of communication over the internet that offers a real-time transmission to offer text messages from sender to receiver. We can say that it is a communication in between the one man to another by using the text messages. The chat messages are generally short in order to enable other participant to respond quickly. Online chat may address point-to-point communication from one sender to many receivers. There are multiple receivers at a time. Voice and video chat or maybe features of a web conferencing services are included in the chatting. That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.